Today we're making cake. First we need to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. For cake we will need 240 grams of flour, plain flour, 1 cup of raisins, 3 eggs, half of teaspoon of baking powder, vanilla extract, pinch of salt, 180 grams of butter, 170 grams of sugar, and I will add pumpkin spice as well. Let's start. Everything I will mix in a stand mixer. Add your butter, and sugar. Whisk together for a couple of minutes. Mixture must be fluffy and airy. Mixture become already nice and fluffy. And now we will add eggs one by one. Mixture nice and fluffy. I already added eggs and vanilla extract. To the dry ingredients: flour, pinch of salt in the flour, baking powder, pumpkin spice. This is coffee spoon. 1, 2. Why not? Distribute everything in the flour. Everything at once goes in. Swap and whisk for paddle attachments. And we will mix on in a low speed. Like this. Now for the raisins. And I will mix again. Cake going in the oven. Oven already preheated, 180 degrees Celsius. Cake will be in the oven for 60 minutes. Let's try. Now we will wait for cake to cool down. And after we will try. We will try now. Very nice. Smells very nice. All spices, pumpkin spice. Cake still slightly warm. When it cooled down completely, it would be a little bit more harder. But let's try it. Very nice. Very spicy. Very nice. I recommend. Very spicy. Very nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to put like. Thank you.